Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the tears effect on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So if you're sad or you want to make a sarcastic video, then this effect is for you. This tear effect will make your eyes water, and as you blink, teardrops will fall down. So let me show you how to use it. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover. In the search bar, type in tears. It should appear under effects and look like this. Tap on it. If you don't see this effect, this means that this effect has not been rolled out to you yet. Wait a few more days as TikTok will slowly roll it out to everyone. Now from here, check out how others have used this effect. Once you're ready and have a storyline, tap on the record button and start to use this effect. As you can see, the effect will give you watery eyes, and as you blink, tears will start rolling down your cheeks. This effect works great if your face is closer to the camera, as the watery eyes effect can be seen much clearer. And there you go, that's how to use the tears effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.